Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is another water saving tip. I hate to admit it, that is the bottom of my trash can. It's never been that bad. I just happened to look at it today. I was like, my gosh, what has happened? So here in North Carolina, it's supposed to rain sometime tonight, tomorrow. So I sprayed this down with cleaner and I'm just going to set it outside. And I took the trash off today and just let it rain in there. And I'll switch it around. I'll brush it out if I have to, but with the stuff I put in there, it should be loose by the time it rains, and by the time it rains on it, that'll clean it out, and I'll be saving water. And I'll just pour it in the driveway. It's a biodegradable cleaner, so it isn't anything harsh or caustic. But that's another way to save water, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.